Hello and welcome to my channel, Jackie's Town. My name is Jackie. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I don't only do DIY craft projects, but I also do treats and cakes and many other things. Today I'm bringing you a boxing glove cake. If you like my boxing glove cake, please leave me a comment and let me know. This is a vanilla and chocolate cake with vanilla buttercream filling, covered in marshmallow fondant. I make myself. If you would like to know how to make it, leave me a comment. If you like it, if you don't like it, what color would you choose if you do want a boxing glove cake? So here it is. My son asked me to make his friend a birthday cake. Since he's into boxing, he picked out the boxing glove themed cake for him. And it really didn't take too long to make. It was a pretty simple cake. Let me know how you like it. Again, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all. Please like, comment, and share. Tell a friend. I have a few videos that I'm going to be uploading soon. Some are Dollar Tree crafts, some are cakes, and some are treats. You can get a glimpse of my little life here in Jackie's Town and all the different things I do on a daily. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you. Bye.